Alright, it's Mrs. Feathers. We're going to go over your practice pages for grammar for the week. This week you are assigned pages 136 to 139. You're going to have a page each day, Monday through Thursday, and then your quiz is going to be Friday this week. Your first page is page 136, and we're going to be studying adverbs that tell how. The box at the top tells you that an adverb describes an action verb. Adverbs can tell the place, time, or manner an action takes place. Adverbs answer the questions where, when, or how. Most adverbs that tell how an action takes place end in ly. That is going to be important for this page because we are only focusing on adverbs that tell how. So you're going to be looking for those words that end in ly. On this page, it says to draw one line under each adverb that tells how. Then you're going to circle the verb that the adverb describes. Number 1 says, Mom and I walked carefully down to the edge of the pond. I think that it's easiest to find the verb first, the action word. So in this sentence, our verb is walked. So I'm going to drag one of these circles. Circle walked. Now I need to think, how did Mom and I walk? We're looking for an adverb to describe how we walked, and that word would be carefully. So I'm going to drag a line under carefully. Let's do another one together. We eagerly ate our picnic lunch. Again, I think it's easiest to find the verb first, the action word. In this sentence, it is ate. And then I have to think, how did we eat? We eagerly ate. And again, you'll notice that both of those words end in ly. Use that to help you for the rest of the page. Your next page is 137. On this page, we're going to place adverbs that tell where and when. The box at the top says some adverbs that tell where are there, ahead, outside, around, up, far, here, away, nearby, and everywhere. Some adverbs tell the time or when an action happens. Some adverbs that tell when are first, soon, always, early, next, today, later, tomorrow, and then. Keep that box handy. It'll help you a lot on this page. You have two parts. We're going to do one from each section. For part A, it says to draw one line under each adverb that tells where, and then you're going to circle the verb that the adverb describes. So again, I'm going to find the verb first, and then I'm going to look for that where adverb. Reminder, I can use this box at the top with the list of where adverbs to help me. Number 1 says, my family goes outside on weekends if the weather is nice. First, I'm going to drag my circle to my verb, which is goes, and then I need to find the adverb that answers the question, where? Where do we go? We go outside. So I'm going to underline outside. Skipping down to part B, we're going to draw one line under each adverb that tells when and circle the verb the adverb describes. Let's look at number 6. It says, my dad always bakes a big cake for the school bake sale. Again, I'm going to find that verb first, which is bakes. Oops. And then I have to ask myself, when? When does my dad bake? He always bakes. And again, I can use this box at the top. You'll see always listed here under a when action verb or adverb. Your next page is 138. On this page, you're looking at adverbs and adjectives. So we use an adjective to describe a noun, and we use an adverb to describe a verb. Be careful to not mix up adjectives with adverbs that tell how. On this page, you're going to read the sentences below. Circle the word that correctly completes each sentence. Number 1 says the dragon is an blank part of a Chinese New Year parade. I need to pick either important, which is an adjective, or importantly, which is an adverb. I am describing the word part, which is a noun, so therefore I need the word important. I also like to reread these sentences with my choice to make sure that it makes sense. The dragon is an important part of a Chinese New Year parade. Let's also look at number 2. People dressed as a dragon dance blank down the street. I am looking for a word that describes the people dressed as a dragon dancing. Therefore, I need an adverb, so I'm going to use boldly. Again, I'm going to reread this sentence to make sure that it makes sense. People dressed as a dragon dance boldly down the street. You will finish up this page with the same directions. Your very last page is 139. It's your proofreading page. As always, the box at the top goes over all of the rules from the previous pages. Part A, you're circling adjectives and adverbs that are not used correctly, and then you're rewriting the passage on the bottom. There are a total of 8 mistakes, so I only put 8 circles here for you, so you should use all of them. Let's look at the first sentence together. Today, my grandfather and I made a beautifully kite. Beautifully is an adverb. However, I'm using beautifully to describe kite, and kite is a noun. Therefore, I need an adjective here, so I just need the word beautiful. So when I retype that sentence, I am going to change beautifully to beautiful. You have 7 more mistakes to find on your own. As always, make sure you're looking back at comments that we're leaving you in case you need to make corrections, and so that you know what mistakes you're making before the grammar quiz, which again is on Friday this week. Have a great day, 3rd grade. Bye.